How to fix Snapchat locations on Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open settings of your phone, and then you will go directly to apps or application option. Then you will find all the application that you have on your phone. You will search for Snapchat and you will open it like this. Then you will go to storage, click on it and go to clear data. Then click OK and go back and click first step and click OK. And that's it, your problem will fix. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.